Good. In this question, there are 8 books, and 2 of them are paper base back, and the other ones are hardcovers. And they ask you to take 4 books, and they ask you for how many different options of these 4 books to include at least 1 paperback. So you have 1 paperback or 2 paperbacks are the options, and the other option it would be none of them is paperback. So this is the distribution that basically we lay out. You can obviously compute this in 2 ways. Either you compute the number of options for this and you add this, or you compute the number of total options and you subtract this. This is probably both of them require 2 calculations. So basically I'm gonna do them both. So if you want to compute how many will have 0 paperback, you literally need to think, okay, from these 6 books, I literally get 4 of them. So it's 6 out of 4. And I don't care about the order of the 4 I'm getting. And I don't care about the order of the 2 that I'm not getting. So it's 6 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial, which gives you 15. That is how to get 0 paperback. Basically, you ignore the 2 P's and that's it. And then you need to get if you ignore all the constraints, what are the chances to order basically this, or to get 4 out of 8. Literally it's 4 out of 8. You don't care about the order of the 4 you're getting, and you don't care about the orders of the 4 you're not getting. That basically it's 70, one basic calculation. If you subtract 70 minus 15, you get the 55. That is the answer to the problem. That's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is computing how many options for this and how many options for this. Let's compute 1 paperback first. So for 1 paperback, you fix 1 paper, let's say P1, you fix it, and then you take the other 3 out of the 6 options of hard cover, which is you don't care about the order of the 3 you're getting, and you don't care about the order of the 6 you're getting. And that is literally 6 out of 3, which is 20. When you select the other paperback, you get another 20. So you need to add them both, because you get 20 with this P and 20 with this P. That's already 40. And then we need to compute the other option, which is the 2 of them are paper. So basically it's going to be 2 hardcovers out of 6, which is paper, and 2 hardcover out of 6. It's again 2 out of 6, which you get 15. When you add 20 plus 20 plus 15, you get 55. It's the same answer. So basically, the spread you have is 0 paperback, 1 paperback, 2 paperback, and it's 15, 40, 15, and the total is 70. Either you do 70 minus 15, or you do 40 plus 15. You get to the same answer anyway. Normally, I would do 15 and 70, because sometimes there are more options here, like 1P, 2P, 3P, 4P, 5P, and you don't want to compute each of these options. You want to do at least one option, which is like compute 15, compute the total, and subtract. Let me get the view of everything. And a little bit of the view of where I am. Actually, I'm in a car watching a polo match. Ooh, you cannot see anything from here. Let me open it up. Look at that. Anyway, that's a fun part of the problem.